Conrad kes sangma Menteri Rangba ke Jala Meghalaya uloong bak sarkar jalahi ke Shim bak Jingbyrngem Pynïap daga Hinyotrap National Liberation Council HNLC la kedaya ki nomi khmat balajit da ki pajba ki VIP ne Īano ru kedahi ke bomla Pdiang. Kini ke jingkran Menteri Rangba kalong harin ke Jingbyrngem ke HNLC yoba Ardan Miller pasayo moj President ke Voice of the People Party baru MLA nonongkram Dangshan. Halor kesin jam bahatu kalak bandan biang ke jingkran yasuk bar ke HNLC Menteri Rangba uloong bayakani haban yathir sani bha bat ki bedan bantaru nalor ke sarkar India.
It's a serious matter and it doesn't matter who the person is, if it's an elected representative or it's a common man, if it's a business person. I think that threat taken or given to anybody is something that is not acceptable by the government. And obviously we work towards ensuring that the safety and security of all our people is there. As I said, it's not the question of whether a person is a elected member, a VIP or a common man. For us, every single life and every citizen is important. So obviously from our side, we take every step to ensure that proper safety and security is given to all our people. We'll have to examine that aspect because there are again plus minus the reasons why they had not wanted to continue in the past, and of course we have to get Government of India on board. So these kind of things are not like we can just start something today and stop tomorrow. There's a process and there's so many stakeholders involved. There's a lot of machinery that's involved, a lot of preparations to be done, and hence we'll have to deeply consult with everybody. But as I said, for us, peace is important, and we would like to see that long-term peace is there in Meghalaya. And from my side as a Chief Minister, whatever steps need to be taken, I'm ready to move forward in that. But we need the seriousness and cooperation and the commitment from everybody to make this happen, and to see that we reach to the right conclusion. I know it's not easy. I know there are many concerns that are there which need to be addressed, and that's why last time we tried, but we could not move forward in it. But at least I can say that we moved forward and we tried it. But given the chance, given the opportunity, if all stakeholders can align again and we can do, we will examine. But I think it will be difficult for me to say anything of that right now because we have not spoken about it.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kishab plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam kta ka dur jingki marbam ka jingmat lani ka rukom shed yaki. Balehi banai kita. Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition bakam bha ka jing im bakam bha pendon kam daki mar ba modon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.